everyone. I found a great new tool that I wanted to share with you that can work for any of the situations any of us are in right now. If you're a hybrid teacher, if you're a room and Zoom teacher, or if you're a distance learning teacher. So all three of these face challenges when kids are entering into our Zooms or in our classrooms. We like to have things ready to go. We like to pace our kids. So this is a really great, easy tool that you can incorporate if you so choose to. It's called classroomscreen.com. You know me, I'm all about the free version, so I do not pay for any of this. I simply use the free version. It seems to fit my needs quite well. Once you sign up, I always recommend that you go through the Google sign up. And once you're inside, this is what it looks like. I love this. These are called widgets down here. You have a variety of widgets to choose from. Your background, you can make it whatever you want it to. They have a ton of different options for you. You can even animate it if you want to, or you can add your own background. If you have your own favorite picture, maybe of your family or something like that that you'd like to share, then you're more than welcome to. So you customize your background however you want to, and then you use these widgets inside of here and choose which ones that you want to put all over your board. You can click them and move them around wherever you want them so they fit your needs. I just put a few up here that I thought some of us might be using. We have the classic green light for working, yellow light for slow down, red light for stop, telling kids what you want them to do when. I also incorporated my name list for my kids. Now, I will tell you, I cheated on this totally. I did not hand type these names. All I did was copy my roster and paste it in here. I'm going to choose that list. It does a random name picker. This is fun. I love this. And you can keep going. You can always have a new kid being popped up there. That's awesome. It also has stopwatches right here. Then you got a countdown timer. You've got a clock you could put on here as well. The date could be showing. This is also, I thought, kind of cool, especially in the classroom. It's got several modes. You can indicate to the kids to be on a silent mode, a whisper mode, ask a neighbor mode, or all work together. So I really like that one as well. There's a few others down here that I did not incorporate. For example, if you want to just have some text up for your kids that you want to communicate with them, or if you're doing notes with them. There's also a free draw tool as well, so you can freehand some things if you need to. The QR code, those are probably more a little bit advanced options, but if you have something you want the kids to snap a picture of for a QR code to get into a document, you could do that. And then, of course, you could always add a YouTube video you want them to watch. You can even activate your webcam. You can have an image pasted in there. It's a lot of fun. And then one of the other things I thought was really kind of neat, and it might apply more towards like a math situation, but it also has some dice. You can do 2 dice. You can do 3 dice. So if you're playing some sort of a game or an interactive, then you might have that a use for that as well. And then once you've selected the widgets that you want to use, you can simply hide them, okay? So they're out of your way. Now, let's just say I'm finished with one. I don't want it up there anymore. Like, okay, so I don't need this one. I simply go to the X and I click out of it and it's gone. Oh, wait a minute, I forgot. Nope, I really do want my stopwatch back. Boom, there it is. Bring it right back. Click, move, and drag. And that is it. This is a super cool tool and I really like it and I hope you do too. Have a great day.